Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will give you a brief introduction about how to use Google Sheets through the web browser. Today's topic is how to use Google Sheets, and we are going to cover all the necessary features in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the video, without wasting any minute, let's get started. Directly go to your Google Stock account through the web browser. After that, just click on the three lines at the top left. Click on Sheets. As you open the Sheets, scroll down and you can see all the saved files with the owner's name and the dates when they were made or opened. This is a good feature to just directly keep a track of all the spreadsheets that you've made or that have been shared. This is the area where you can see all the templates. So there are a lot of templates that you can work on for different purposes and specific purposes, like wedding planner, weekly timesheet, invoice, financial statements, customer relationship management, project writing. So these all templates are designed specifically for specific purposes. Let's go back and just click on three dots. From here, we can directly hide the templates if we want to. I really don't prefer that. Now we'll just directly click on the plus symbol to open a fresh Google Sheet. As we open a fresh Google Sheet, we'll just go through all the taskbar necessary features of the spreadsheet. So first, let's just see the dollar symbol. We will type something random, maybe random digits, and we'll see the difference if we tap on the dollar and if you type anything without the dollar symbol. See, now we tap it on the dollar and enter the digits. It has automatically converted into $123.00. We'll do the same with percentile. See, it's 123.00 percentile now. It will increase the decimal and decrease the decimal. The first icon says decreasing a decimal, and the second icon says increasing a decimal. So we can type any number as we desire, and if you want to decrease a decimal, we can click on the first option, and to increase the decimal, we can click on the second option. Let's enter any number and click on it first. After that, we'll use the decimals. So to decrease decimal places, we'll just choose this number and click on increase. As you can see, 12.334 has decreased to 12.33, and now as we clicked on increase the decimal place, it has been increased. We can also see this feature where, as you can see, more options, more than dollar, decimal, or percentile. You can use all the different options for different purposes and different spreadsheets. This is obviously, everybody knows this is the font size. We can change the font size as per we wish to. Currently, this is the 10 number font size. Likewise, we'll see the bold. Just click on any digit, any data, and click on bold. It has automatically been bold. We'll do the same thing for italics, and this is a new feature called strike through. This is a feature which is mostly used in businesses and spreadsheets related to the market. So this is the strike through. To change the color of the data, of the text, we'll directly go to the symbol and choose any color as per we like. Now we'll just directly highlight the whole column and we'll change the color, fill in the color. We can also change it to a different color. Yeah, first it was blue, now it's orange. These are the border lines. So if we have a text already written, we can directly add the borders if there is a text. It won't be applicable in this area specifically. Now these are the alignments. We can align anything, any data. So we'll just choose all this and then we will set up an alignment. Let's do it at the center first. It has changed. Now at the left. And this is a vertical align. So usually these things work when you're doing something specifically or something with more refinement, when you want everything to be very certain and specific, we can try text rotation in a similar way. We just have to click to the text that we choose to rotate, and after that just click on tilt up. We can try it with tilt down and all the rest of the features too. So now we can do text wrap in it. Just wrap it up. That's right. We can also do the clip. That's right. And the bottom down. The more features say different things. Inserting link, inserting comment, and this is the insert chart. There's create a filter. We'll just directly tap on it, and these are the filters that we can find in the spreadsheet to use as and when we like to. Now this is a functions app. Here we can sum up all the other mathematical algorithms or functions while making a spreadsheet. After all this, we can just directly go to these options. Edit option says all these things, deleting or adding rows or columns, view options, and insert options. The insert option includes all these data. We can directly add the image, drawing, form, anything. Now from the data, as you click on the data option, we can filter views, we can do all these things. From the tools bar, we can create a form, we can create an app sheet as well. We can do the script editor part. We can use macros, and we can even do the spelling check. In the spelling check, we also have another option of personal dictionary. Now in the add-ons, you can add on more features as and when you like to. After that, we'll see the symbol. This is a symbol basically to share your screen while you're making a spreadsheet or while you're sharing a spreadsheet online, live with a lot of people in Google Meets or any other apps. You just have to click on that option. This is the comment history bar, which is not usually necessary. It's just like the commenting bar. There are the favorites. This is the option to move your file from one place to the other, and this is where the file gets saved. To share a document, just click on this green bar. Here, as the title is not being entered, just enter any random title for your spreadsheet. Click on save, and here just enter the email address that you want to address the spreadsheet to, or you can also directly copy the link and email it to the person that you want to. As you enter the email address, just click on send. Because I don't want to send it to anybody right now, I'll just keep it the way it was before. So now we'll just experiment. We'll type and we will do some changes on the text that we type. We hope you liked the video. So thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon below and subscribe our channel. Now as we type thank you for watching, we'll just mark it all. We will increase the size first. After that, we'll just text color, enter text color, and we'll just change the text color, obviously, because black looks way too much. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Thank you.